Hello, this is Luis from Instyle Auto. This is a multimedia navigation system for Ford Ranger PJ PK. We also have systems available for PX, PX1 and PX2 and K2. This system is got navigation, GPS system. Plays DVDs, plays SD card, Bluetooth. You can synchronize your contacts, make phone calls, receive phone calls. You can stream music through your phone and listen to the system. RDS radio for better reception. Our systems are fully compatible with steering wheel controls. In this case, this vehicle does have steering wheel controls. CarPlay ready. You have two USB inputs. You got one here in front of the screen, and the other one will be in your glove box. AV input for an external source, such a front camera, iPod connection, tire pressure monitoring system that's an extra tire pressure. It's got games, and this is the DVR dash cam. There's a lot of reflection here. This is the dash cam. It records continuously. It's got a G sensor and motion sensing also. Reverse camera. It's a mini reverse camera with super wide angle and distance lines. For sales and installations, please call Luis from Instyle Auto on 0404897027 or 0730535670. Installations available in Brisbane, Sunshine Coast, Gold Coast, Toowoomba, Byron Bay. We also have installers in Sydney, Melbourne and Adelaide. Give us a call to book yours now. They are Australian standard, Australian certified products made with Samsung, Hitachi and Toshiba parts. 1 year warranty, and we give you a lifetime warranty installation. Thank you guys, see you next time.